And to get us more on this, I'm joined by Suchitra Street from Diu. Good morning, Suchitra. Now, when we talk about Pearl and we also see the development there in Diu, it speaks volumes for itself, right from the developmental aspect of Diu to the sports prowess it is now becoming, how the games are transforming the nation, the land there. Suchitra.
Yes, Deepika, these games are going to change. We can see the landscape of Diu because those people who visited Diu few years ago, they can see a lot of changes. Last year, the beach games, the Diu beach games were held. It was a multi-sport beach games event, and now with the beach games coming under the umbrella of Khelo India, the magnitude is even bigger. And a lot of new hotels, eating joints and a lot of new infrastructure is put in place to host these beach games. And we just spoke to Secretary Sports Daman and Diu, and he said, Dr. Arun, and he said that they have some legacy plans because they plan to host beach games every year in Diu with the beautiful beaches and the pleasant weather. As you can see here, it's raining right now. So looking at the weather, the beach events, they are held for 2 or 3 hours in the morning and then 2 or 3 hours in the evening. So the spectators and the players, they can enjoy the pleasant weather, the beautiful beaches. And of course, beach games are a little new, we can say, for Indian players, for Indian spectators. And we can just say that, India keeps marching ahead step by step in water sports, in beach games, because if we have to become a sporting superpower in 2047, then we have to widen our arena. We have to participate in as many sport disciplines as possible, and water sports are definitely a bright future for Indian players. Deepika.
Sports aren't free today. Yeah, can you get my audio?
Yes, Deepika.
Which other sports aren't free today?
Yes, in the morning there were some pool matches played of soccer, and few teams made it to the semi-finals. And in the evening also there will be some soccer matches, and the semi-final lineup will be decided tomorrow. The soccer semi-finals will be played, and also the beach kabaddi pool matches will be there. Right now the group stage, the pool stage is going on in most of the matches. So be it soccer, beach volleyball and kabaddi, there will be pool matches. And in the morning there was the open water swimming, the 10-kilometer race. That event is finished, and also the demonstration sports, Malakham and tug of war, they are attracting a lot of spectators. So even though there are no medals at stake, but the viewers, the spectators are really enjoying watching tug of war and Malakham by the beach.
All right, thank you so much, Suchitra, for joining us from the UN, bringing us the latest on Khelo India Beach Games.